What is up, motherfuckers? You're here with Gemini King and his cameraman today,
Dr. Hamjam. Motherfucker in the house, well, apartment thing that's called the cold water faggot.
Yeah. So we're doing an unboxing today of the Sega Genesis.
Oh. Fucking love you, Sonic. Make me hard. No homo.
Alright, now go look at the back and show us some of the games that are included.
Alright, we got some fucking games like Alex Kidd. Fucking come out a little bit. Got Alex Kidd. We got fucking Shining Force 1, 2, Golden Axe 3. Fucking, there's so many old school games on here that were from when we were kids. It was great. Crackdown. Fuck yeah, everybody. This is gonna be fucking gorgeous.
Yeah, and many more.
And many more, and many more. It even says on the bottom of the box, people, and many more. As I don't know what the French says, but fuck it, it's just, and many more in French.
Alright, let's see this motherfucker and unbox it. Let's see what this is all about. Now, I want to try to unbox it out first.
I know how to.
Yeah?
This is the easiest box to unbox.
Yeah, it seems like it is.
Because, here, camera. With these, there's a fucking sticker piece underneath.
I don't have anything, just if you're wondering. I'm very limited.
Mrs. Nails.
Mrs. Nails?
Oh, I get it.
Move it.
I was like, nails, what do you mean?
Well, a little bit, just to break the seal a little bit, so then I can fucking actually get the fucker. Think so? I don't want to fucking wreck the box either, because it's fucking... Alright, yeah.
Unboxing.
There's a little bit of damage on the box, people, but it's okay.
It'll be okay.
Because that's all I needed, and
Oh.
showing.
Oh, baby.
Showing.
Take over. Oh, yeah.
Let's see that fucking plane manual.
Do it up. It looks so freaking thinner.
It's tiny,
Isn't it? That's weird. It wasn't like that when I was a kid, but it's like
Well, this is the new generation of Sega Genesis, more or less, because, I mean, look at the amount, how small it is in comparison to what the Sega Genesis really was. It was a massive machine, the old one.
oh, beautiful. And so it has just built-in games. That's so weird. So we just plug it in, turn it on, and the games just come up on a screen.
Probably.
Wow. And I also got some cartridges of my own, honestly, around somewhere I'll have to find, which I don't know where they are now, I don't think. Like the Punisher, Primal Rage, Power Rangers, I think one more somewhere. We'll have to check that out after, but now it's the hookup time.
If I can get a controller going here.
And it's sweet that it actually comes with 2 controllers.
Well, come on, it's a Sega Genesis. There's a lot of 2-player games on a Sega Genesis.
There is, excitement.
Pop a proper squat.
Oh. I broke it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Shut the fuck up.
I'm just kidding. Oh, that would suck. I would cry. I wouldn't just be like, oh.
I would leave right now.
Yeah, I bet.
Take
Hey,
my buddy's
headphones.
burgers.
Oh. Okay, now. Oh, more like this. PS3. Fuck off.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
You know what's really awesome? Watching the TV and you see the line of the TV going across in the camera.
Oh, really?
Come check it out.
Weird.
Yeah.
Wonder if that would like, after we upload this, if that'll freaking
It'll probably do the same thing on the phone, on the video.
weird. Fucking weird.
Weird.
Fucking hardcore.
Hardcore.
Okay, I better stop saying fucking hardcore. I'm gonna have to put in that edit again.
Fucking hardcore.
Alright,
At least it's not butt fucking.
plug this bad boy in. And what can I pump? God damn it. What is that? Okay. I think. Okay, I'm gonna have to follow this. What is that? That is TV. We don't need TV. Well, not this, but the satellite. We need TV.
The TV.
Yeah.
Not just TV.
Yeah.
VD. ED.
ET?
Phone home.
Ah.
Ah.
Okay.
Our enthusiasm right now is just outstanding.
Oh, outstanding is right. So.
I'm gonna take a toke after this just because it's so outstandingly awesome.
Hell yeah. Okay. I'm going to plug in both controllers right off the bat.
Plug it in. Do it now.
Will do. Oh.
Don't know if it has a good angle, but I need to do this shit myself.
Yeah, I don't want to break anything. I don't want to force shit anything. So, you're going to have to be very careful plugging in the controllers because they're the fucking the needle points. So if we break that, won't be good.
No. Not very long.
You still recording?
It's right there.
Oh, hey guys. I was like, where'd you guys go?
It's just on a different camera angle. Probably looking at the door the whole fucking time, but it's okay. We were still here. And we're hitting our 7-minute mark right now.
Good. Power.
Oh my good Christ. Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's...
Oh
Okay, go down. Go to Shining Force, bro. Oh, over. Over.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Wait, first of all, what is this like quickly? It said and many more, but didn't show all the...
We got fucking... Yeah, Golden Axe 1, 2, 3, Jewel Masters, Fatal Labyrinth, Flicky, Shinobi 3, Shadow Dancer, Phantasy Star 3, 2, all the Sonics. Shining Force, there it is.
Yep. I'm going to go to it, but first I'm just going to keep looking for them.
Chess.
Curling?
There's chess.
Yeah. Wow.
Like, what the fuck? Chess and checkers? Wow. Snake. Skeleton Scale, Bomber, Bottle Cap Race, or Bottle Tap Race? What the fuck?
Black Wolf?
That's fucking hardcore.
Yeah.
Dinosaur Puzzle. Man, there's a lot of shit on here. Holy fuck.
It's still going.
Yeah, there's fucking, we're only on page 8. Mortal Kombat, the original.
And 2 and 3.
What?
And a game called About?
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah, for Shining Force?
Yeah, buddy. Let's fucking do it. Sega!
Fuck yeah, guys. Sega Genesis. Kicking it old school.
All fucking rights, guys. Well, we got a fucking working Sega Genesis.
And we will do some gameplays on this shit as the time goes on. But for now, thanks for being here with Gemini King and
Dr. Hamjam.
And thanks for being here for this unboxing, guys. This is crazy. This is awesome. Got it on a crazy price. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you made it this far. Always appreciated. And we will see you guys next